Hello everyone, my name is Engineer Arjun Singh. Today we are going to learn about pre-stressed concrete and its uses, where it is being used, and how is it feasible than the old conventional concrete cast in situ method. So let's begin. So basically pre-stressed, what as the name suggests, pre-stressed means that the concrete is being stressed before the application of the load. So how does this phenomena works, and how is this much better than the old conventional method, and does it have more strength than the cast in situ method? So let's look into these points. Let's begin. In pre-stressed method, basically we stress the concrete to a certain we stretch the concrete to a certain level, and then we release the tendons. Basically we stretch the concrete with the help of tendons, and then we release the tendons, and after releasing the tendons, compressive stresses are induced in the concrete. So when a load is applied on a concrete, we know that the concrete is good in compression at the top, and it is very bad at tension at the bottom. So the stress, the bending action due to these compressive stresses is in the upward direction, and as we know, the load we apply at any beam or any slab, the bending movement is on the lower direction, is it in the U shape, and due to this pre-stress method, this phenomena is compensated by the upper bending of the compressive stresses, due to compressive stresses. So this method is very convenient also, and very feasible also, because it increases the strength, and we don't need to cast this concrete on site, because it can be casted somewhere else and can be transported. Like you must have seen that PSC girders in various kinds of bridges, minor bridges, major bridges. These types of girders are used with a span of 25 or 30 meters. So with a span of such a length and such a magnitude, we cannot cast this at a certain height. Say if a bridge is at a height of 25 to 30 meters, we cannot cast this system on at that location. So at these types of sites and at these types of locations, we prefer pre-stressed concrete, because it is also good in strength. It is also feasible. It reduces the cost of shuttering and various kinds of scaffoldings that could have been provided when we would have opted the old conventional concrete method. So this is much better than the other type of conventional concrete methods. Thank you everyone for watching. This is for today.